In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I edit my pictures. As you can see, I have a profile. Obviously, I have a MaluTrevejo fan page on Instagram, so you guys can go and check that out. So I'm gonna go and take you guys this, and you guys can go and check my Instagram out. So as you can see, this is my MaluTrevejo Instagram fan page. I obviously edit a whole bunch of pictures, just as this one. This is one of my favorite ones, and this one as well. And this one was kind of hard to do, so. And also this one. This one, I'm not gonna lie, but I forgot to like put a little part right there. But I mean, sometimes we make mistakes, but that's okay. Follow me, the username is right up here. And take a screenshot of that. And yeah, okay, back to the Pixar app. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna leave in down the description what app it is, so you guys can go download it and check that out and stuff. So start off, you're gonna want to press the little plus sign, and it's gonna say start editing. So you want to go ahead and choose the picture. So since I screenshot it, but I don't want those little ugly little ding in the picture. So what you want to do, you want to go press tools, and then you're gonna want to press crop, which is up here. Now, this stuff what I'm about to use is optional. You don't have to use the exact filter. You don't have to use the same things. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and press effect, which is next to tools. I'm gonna use blur, which is over here. And by the way, the blur is optional. You don't have to use it. So as you can see, you can't see her face. Well, obviously you're gonna press this little eraser up here. So this takes a long time to do, so here's a quick trick. I don't know if you guys might know this because you guys might have already started doing this stuff, but you maybe want to know how I edit it. So what you guys want to go ahead and do is you're gonna press this. It might take a long time to load, but that's okay. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to get rid of those other things. As you can see, it didn't catch. Well, it's kind of more faster now because you don't have to, take a little more time to do it. But what you want to go ahead and do, you're going to press this and stuff like that, and you're going to start going ahead and fixing it. So, yeah.
little diggy.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can say the N-word. Wait, can I really say the N-word? My nigga, what up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga. We are my nigga. You pussy ass nigga. Man, fuck y'all niggas. Cause I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari and I'm like skin black.
What the fuck? I woke up and I'm Lil Dicky.
Lil Dicky? What the fuck? This shit is real weak. How is Dick staying perched up on his balls like that? Walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Whoa, ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Whoa, ain't nobody judging cause I'm black or my controversial past.
I'ma go and see a movie and relax. Hey, I'm a blood, but I can finally wear blue. Why's his mama calling all the time? Leave me the fuck alone, bitch. Wait, if I'm in Diggy Body, Breezy is who? Hope my daughter's in school. Fuck, if I was Chris Brown, where would I be? What would I do?
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at my soft dick with the light. It's my dream dick.
If I was Little Diggy in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like an introspective monk.
I'm balling on the court, oh my God, I can do it.
Snap a flick of my jump. My dick is trending on
Twitter? Fuck. Now I'm at the club, I talk my way to getting in. I look up in the VIP, my business. There I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Wait, who the fuck you think he is? Took a glass bottle, shatter it on the bouncer's head. Walk up to that motherfucker.
Wait, think it through for a sec. If you hurt me, then you only hurt yourself.
But wait, I love myself.
That was the key, now it's switching back. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.
Wait, what the fuck?
And now I'm in Ed Sheeran's body.
It's way less cool than being Chris Brown was.
What the fuck again?
I'm DJ Khaled. Why am I yelling?
I'm Kendall Jenner. I got a vagina. Explore that right now. Holy shit, I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna understand the inner workings of a woman.
Drop gangs, baby. RD Urban's music. RD Urban's music.
Ay, baby, tu sensualidad me tiene al borde de la locura y esto no es casualidad. De beso sube la temperatura. Ay, baby, tu sensualidad me tiene al borde de la locura y esto no es casualidad. De beso sube la temperatura.
Baby, donde tú quieras, yo paso a buscarte. Tú espérame afuera, pa' si no llamarte. No traigas paraguas como quiera, vamos a mojarte. La temperatura está pa' calentarte.
Baby, donde tú quieras, yo paso a buscarte. Tú espérame afuera, así no llamarte. No traigas paraguas como quiera, vamos a mojarte. La temperatura está pa' calentarte.
Hay muchos tras de ti, pero yo siempre gano. Siempre gano, siempre gano, siempre gano, siempre gano, siempre gano. La baby está dura y sin el cirujano. Vístete que hoy te voy a buscar temprano.
Los que no pegan, agarro de mano. Esta es que te contesta. Dale, prendelo, llegamos después de las 3. No sé si tú mañana me va a querer, o si después de hoy te va a perder. Si no, tú me escribes, yo te busco en el Lamborghini. Un gato, un beso de emoji. Yo no sé si tú mañana me va a querer, o si después de hoy te va a perder. En mi habitación tú sientes conmigo, como si se paralizara el tiempo. Y es que mi intención es estar contigo. Hacerlo sale arte sin aliento. En mi habitación tú sientes conmigo, como si se
baby, donde tú
quieras. Yo paso a buscarte, tú espérame afuera.
si no llamarte, no traigas paraguas como quiera, va a mojarte. La temperatura está pa' calentarte.
Baby, donde tú quieras, yo paso a buscarte. Tú esperas
Me fuera, si no llamarte, no traigas paraguas como quiera, va a mojarte. La temperatura está pa' calentarte. La noche ya me activé, estoy buscando, me sé que me quiere porque es un ave. Como se le dice weekend, como Shakira y Piqué.
Con su hoodie de babe, siempre ando en backstage. En Francia ya la conocen, compramos todo Chanel. Porque ella es mi jeva, no me la toquen porque ella es una fiera. Ella es tan bella tal como lo imaginé. Es mi baby, solo yo la puedo tener. Hey baby, tú es realidad. Me tiene al borde de la locura y esto no es casualidad. De eso sube la temperatura, baby, tu sensualidad. Me tiene al borde de la locura y esto no es casualidad.
You guys, so I finished it. This is how it looks like right now. Hey guys, so you're gonna go back and press effect again. So here's a quick tip. If you go press over here the FLTR, you're gonna see the self filter. It has this little crown, and when you press it and then you press check, this is when the go down pop out. Okay, so what will happen is when you choose one of those filters that has the crown and you have not paid for it and you press the check mark, this little thing like that right there will pop up saying that you had to pay for it, and you don't want that because that's technically wasting money on just a bunch of stupid filters. So I found a hack of how to not waste money on that. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm not using one of those filters that has the crown. It's because I decided to use one of these first and then show you guys the hack. But then when I went back, I saw this other filter, free filter that I wanted to use. And then before that, after that, I went to the FLRT, I think that's how it's spelled, like, and showed you guys the hack. So as you can see, I got confused with the one I was gonna pick. That was not the one, and then I pressed the one that I was gonna pick, and then before that I was just adjusting it as the way I wanted it to be. Okay, as you can guys see, I chose the filter I wanted for the one that wasn't free, and I went and adjusted it, and then you can see, like, maybe like in 5 seconds, I went and screenshot it. Yeah. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna press the X button, then the discard button, and then what you're gonna do is gonna take you back to the normal screen. So what I go ahead and do here is I go ahead and save the picture, and I then go back and save it to private, just in case if I didn't like the filter that I screenshot, because if I change my mind. And then I press the done button, and then it gets me back to the home screen. Now you go ahead and press the plus sign. Okay, so now what you want to go ahead and do is press the picture that you screenshot of the filter that wasn't free. So now what you want to go ahead and do, you're going to press tools, then you're going to press crop.
Another night up at the bar late, skinny dresses and heartbreaks.
Okay, so the thing called border is optional. You do not have to use it. I like to use that because I always sometimes use it, not all the time, but it's optional. You guys don't have to use it at all.
Hands they keep trembling. I've been so weak when you make an entrance to win.
So then what you want to go ahead and do is press stickers. And what I go ahead and do is I press my name, username tag, and something like that, and I put it on the picture. I always use that so nobody will steal my picture, because if I didn't have that, somebody will screenshot it and use it and take obviously credit for me and lying saying that they made it. So if you guys want me to teach you how to do that sticker thing that has your fan page username, comment down below and I will do a tutorial on that.
So I take your hand and there we go, all eyes.
So now when I go ahead and press sticker again, and I go and pick this sticker, and as you can see, I start adjusting it, so I kind of like zoom in so I can see it better.
An entrance to when you leave. Oh, I can't hardly breathe.
Okay, so I did the thing I did last time. I used the eraser thing, and then I erase it, and it makes it look like if the ring is going around her head. I don't know if people have seen this on my fan page. I have used this technique before, and now here it is on the video so you guys can know how I do it, in case if you were wondering how to do it.
I can't hardly. Oh, tell me what you've done. I'm awoken and I love it more every moment. So give me something for when you leave. 'Cause I can't hardly breathe.
As you guys can see, I go and pick the white hearts, and some of you guys might have noticed this technique because I always use this on my fan page when I do my MaluTrevejo editing pictures, and yeah.
I was 7 years old when I got my first pair, and I stepped outside and I was like, Mama, this air bubble right here, it's gonna make me fly. I hit that court, and when I jumped, I swear I got so high, I touched the net. Mom, I touched the net. This is the best day of my life. Air Maxes were next. That air bubble, that mesh, the box, the smell, the stuffing, the tread at school. I was so cool, I knew that I couldn't crease them. My friends couldn't afford them. 4 stripes on their Adidas. On the court, I wasn't the best, but my kicks were like the pros. Yo, I stick out my tongue so everyone could see that logo. Nike Air Flight book bag was so dope. And then my friend Carlos's brother got murdered for his 4s. Whoa.
So now, sometimes I do this all the time, like literally all the time. I get my profile picture and I put it on the edge, and then I get this little thing, as you can see up there, and I put it also there. I don't like to show the Instagram bar thing, so I just hide it. And if you guys want me to do a tutorial of that too, comment down below and let me know, and I will do it for you guys. So as you guys can see, I'm almost done with the video, and I just want to let you guys know to please subscribe, like, comment, and whoever comments first will get painted. And if you have a question, if you want me to do another tutorial, if you're just curious about to do it, I might respond to your comment. And make sure to press the bell so you guys will get my notifications when I upload a new video. Bye, Team Malu.